Unraveling idioms. Not hold a candle to. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that might sound a bit strange at first. Not hold a candle to. Understanding idioms like this one is key to mastering the nuances of the English language. Let's explore what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Not hold a candle to is an idiom used to express that someone or something is significantly inferior or cannot compare to another person or thing. It's often used to highlight a large gap in talent, quality, or ability between two entities. For example, saying, "The sequel didn't hold a candle to the original movie," means that the original movie was much better than the sequel. The phrase originates from a time when electricity was not invented, and people used candles for light. Apprentices or assistants would hold candles so that more experienced workers could see to complete intricate tasks. If someone couldn't even hold a candle properly, it implied they were not skilled enough to assist or perform the simplest task. Over time, this literal task transformed into a metaphorical expression of incompetence or inferiority in comparison. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it correctly is another. Here are some tips. Use it when comparing two things, where one is clearly superior. It's often used in negative constructions, such as can't or doesn't hold a candle to. Although it's a negative idiom, it's typically not used in an overly harsh or critical manner, but rather in a light-hearted or constructive critique. Examples in sentences. In music, this band can't hold a candle to the classics from the 70s. In sports, the new player is good, but he doesn't hold a candle to the veterans in the team. In personal skills, I enjoy cooking, but I can't hold a candle to a professional chef. We hope this exploration of the idiom, not hold a candle to, illuminates its meaning and usage in your English language journey. Remember, idioms add color and depth to our conversations, and understanding them is a significant step towards language mastery. Keep learning, keep exploring, and see you in our next video. Happy learning, and may your language skills always hold a candle to the best.